All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com deal of the day for some tools that they're having today only on the website, which is March 30th, 2026. So if you happen to be watching this video after that, unfortunately, the deals are no longer in effect, and I will have some affiliate links down in the description below, so you can certainly check those links out, and I will make a small commission on it if you decide to purchase anything through those links. The best part is it does not cost you any more money, and in many cases with Home Depot, you are able to get some free shipping on these items. So I do think it depends on your location, but it is a good opportunity to order online and either pick it up in the store or have it shipped directly to you. All right, now let's get into the deals. And actually, it looks like they did a repeat of some of the deals, so if you happen to miss out on last week, it might be your chance to get some this week. We're going to start off with some Milwaukee options on the M18. They have the compact hammer drill impact and the inflator. It does include a 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery and charger for $291. That's saving $207. That's 42% off. It is actually a decent deal on that because normally like the inflator is like around $180 by itself with no batteries. So technically for $110, you're getting a drill and impact in the 2 batteries and charger. So that is decent. And they brought back another M18 battery deal. It's on the Forge 8 amp hour and 5 amp hour battery and a rapid charger for $240, saving $208. That's 46% off. We've seen similar deals like this in the past. Deal at $240, especially with the rapid charger, is usually over $100 by itself, and then that Forge battery is a $229 value by itself. All right, next up is the M18. It's a 3/8 impact wrench with the 5 amp hour battery, which is rated for like to be around oil. It's rated for that. It has a special coating on it to help resist oil on it, and that is $270. That's saving $218. That is 45% off. And they brought back a deal on the M18 saw with the Forge 8.0 battery for $259. That's saving $240. That's 48% off. That's a decent deal. So again, the battery by itself is $229 value. We'll get into some Ryobi ONE HP tools. So this whole row right here is all $143. So it's your option with a D-handled jigsaw with the oscillating tool and a 4 amp hour battery for $143. That's saving 62%. And they have a 2-tool combo kit on ratchets, also with a 4 amp hour battery for $143, saving 62%, just like the other one. And the other one is on the 5-inch random orbit sander with the trim router with a 4 amp hour battery, and that's $143, saving 61%. These are all decent tools with the HP models. And then the next option is a recip saw with the oscillating tool, also paired with a 4 amp hour battery for $143, saving 62%. Those are all good deals on those. All right, next up is a 3-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries for $249, saving 51%. And they have another deal on the 3/8 impact wrench. It's the mid-torque one with a regular 5 amp hour battery for $234. So depending on what your need and what you're working on, will determine which kind of battery you should go with for the difference of $40 or so. All right, next up is another M18 option on the compact hammer drill and impact with 2 5 amp hour batteries and a 2 amp hour one for $264, saving 44%. And the next deal is a decent one. It is on the with a Forge battery, which is an 8 amp hour one, again with a rapid charger and an impact driver for $249. That's saving 46%. We'll get into some DeWalt deals now. So they have the recip saw with a 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger for $247. That's saving 42%. That's $180 off. And they have a deal on the inflator for $204, saving $154. And they have that with a 5 amp hour battery and charger. This to me is a little bit expensive for inflator. Of course, I know over these last few years they've raised the prices on them. I think I picked it up like a few years ago for $79 during the Black Friday time. And I think the M18 is superior to this DeWalt one because it's actually a lot faster than the DeWalt one. But you do have more versatility with the DeWalt because it has the extra hose here, so you can inflate like a bed or other inflatable items, and you can use that. All right, next up is a DeWalt. It's a 20-volt 3-inch cutoff tool with a 5 amp hour battery and charger for $238, saving $140. That's 37% off. And they brought back a good deal on the DeWalt 6-tool combo kit with the Tough System case for $469, saving $430. That's 48% off. That is a good deal on that. And so the tools you're getting is a hammer drill, impact driver, the one-handed recip saw, the random orbit sander, grinder, and the circular saw, as well as the 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger, and that Tough System case. So that is a good deal on that. All right, now getting into some Ridgid options. So they have an awesome deal on the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag for $63. That's saving $213. That's 77% off. And they have a 2 amp hour battery starter kit for $63, saving $56. So obviously go with the 4 amp hour batteries. And they do have a good deal on the Ridgid 18-volt high torque impact wrench with 2 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, and the bag for $199. That's saving 64%. It's another good deal on that. This is actually a pretty decent high impact wrench. I think it has like 1,300 pounds of bolt breakaway torque, so it's definitely powerful. Next up is the Milwaukee M12 on the ratchet, 2 batteries, charger, and the inflator for $228, saving $210. That's 48% off. And they have another ratchet with 2 batteries, and this time paired with the oscillating tool for $219. That's saving 48%. That is the regular oscillating tool. It's not the fuel model. All right, next up is the 3/8 right angle impact wrench with 2 batteries, the inflator, charger, and a bag for $332, saving $206. That's 38% off. Another M12 option is on a 4-tool combo kit with a 5 amp hour high output battery, and I think that's a 2 amp hour one, maybe a 2.5 with a charger and a bag. So it has the ratchet, the hammer drill, impact driver, and then the inflator for $404. That to me seems a little bit expensive for this kit, so I would probably go for a better deal on these tools specifically. Next up is another Ryobi option. It's on the 6-tool combo kit for $234. That's saving $243, so that's 51% off. So those tools you're getting are the recip saw, the oscillating tool, a flashlight, a drill, impact driver, and the circular saw. It does include 2 4 amp hour batteries and the charger for that $234. That is a decent deal there for only $234. Another Ryobi option is on the HP Plus high torque impact wrench. It's the 1/2-inch one with 2 4 amp hour batteries, the charger in the bag for $176, saving $271. That's 61% off. That is a good deal on that. And here's another good deal on some Ryobi batteries. So it's 2 4 amp hour ones and a 2 amp hour one with the charger for only $127. That's saving $234. That's 65% off. I think during Ryobi days last year, we've seen this specific battery pack paired with a tool, like you get a free tool, but that was $200. So this is a decent deal for just the batteries by itself for $127. All right, next up is another Ryobi option, the 18-volt 8 amp hour high performance battery with a rapid charger for $143. It's saving $96. That's 40% off. And they have another D-handle jigsaw option with the circular saw, which is a 5.5-inch one for $58. That's saving almost $80. That's 58% off. And again, they have some yard tools. So if you're in the market for some yard tools, you can certainly check them out. They brought back the same deal with the M18 with the quick lock system on the string trimmer with a Forge 8.0 battery and rapid charger. And they have that paired with the pole saw for that $329. So if you missed the video from last week, I did mention that they have the deal in the store coming up here. I think starting maybe tomorrow is going to be where you buy that same kit for $349, and you have your option of getting the pole saw, brush cutter, edge trimmer for free. So it's obviously a better deal here today to save the additional $20. And then next up is a DeWalt. It's the 20-inch chainsaw kit. It's the FlexVolt one with a 5 amp hour battery for $479, saving $134. That's 22% off. And if you're looking for a small trimmer kit, they have that one for $75, saving only 24%. And they have some other Ryobi options. I'm just going to kind of scroll through them. And then Home Light, and then more Milwaukee options. A lot of these are only saving like 19 or 21%, so they're not necessarily awesome deals. And again, they have some Anchor battery bank deals. Again, you're only saving like 15% on this one. This one you are saving 43% with the solar panel. But this, to me, still seems expensive compared to other options out there. And they brought back some more Milwaukee socket and wrench set deals for $475. You can get the metric and SAE flex head ratcheting wrenches for $475, saving 21%. And this one is still expensive in my opinion. The 3/8 and 1/4-inch drive metric and SAE socket set with the pack out for $279. That's saving 15%. And they brought back the deal again from the Ryobi for the 3-tool campers kit that does include the clamp fan, the Bluetooth speaker, and the light and battery and charger for $56. And here's the Husky Mechanics tool set with the toolbox for $139. We've seen this during the holidays for $99, so maybe hold off on that. And then some more Milwaukee socket options. This one does seem like a decent deal. This one for $244. It is saving $106 practically. It's 30% off. And that is the 1/2-inch drive SAE and metric in the pack out case. Anytime they include the pack out case is going to be expensive. And I think that 244 might be decent, especially for the 1/2-inch drive. And another socket option is the 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive, metric and SAE mechanics toolset. It's an 81 piece for $147. That's saving 26%. That might be a decent deal, saving $52. And if you need the Milwaukee torque locking pliers kit, it's a 5-piece set total, and that's $60. That's saving $15. That's 20% off. And they have other options from Milwaukee with their hand tools and wire strippers. It's not the best savings for these items. And the same thing goes for the socket set with the screwdrivers. They're only saving 25%. That's $26 off on the 1/4 inch drive with the screwdrivers. And this is also expensive in my opinion, saving 25% on the 1/4 inch drive sockets, and then the wrenches. I believe this wrench set we've seen during the holiday times for $50, marked down from the $129. And the same thing goes for that 1/4 inch drive. So during the holiday time is a better time to get those when they have those on the special. And they have a deal on the fast bag with a 50 pack of the general purpose utility blades for $19, saving $10. That's decent. Another pack out option with some sockets, the 3/8 drive, and this set is in the metric version. Or another Husky option, the 320 piece mechanics tool set for $319, saving $59. That's only 16% off, and it looks like it has inserts so you can put it right into your toolbox. They have a gear wrench option for only $1,700, saving $450 on the 579 piece mechanics tool set. So if you're looking for like a one and done kind of kit, I guess that would do it. And they do have decent savings here on the Milwaukee M18 5-inch random orbit sander with a 2 amp-hour battery for $130. That's saving $138. That's 51% off. The sander by itself, I think, is normally priced at $149, right around that range. So that is a good deal to include the battery for that price. And they brought back a deal on the whole dozer set. It's a 28-piece set for $142. That's saving $158. That's 53% off. And they have a 2-pack of the 2 amp-hour batteries on the M18 for $105. That's saving 56%. And they have a decent deal on the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Titanium drill bit set. It's a 30-piece set total for $26. That's saving $44. That's 63% off. That is a good deal on that. The one thing I don't like about it is that it does not include a 1/2-inch drill bit. It just only goes up to 3/8. So be mindful of that. If you happen to need a 1/2-inch bit, then don't get this set. And they have a deal on the whole dozer set. It's a 17-piece set along with some drill bits for $75. That's saving $94. That's 55% off. And if you're looking for a step drill bit set, the 6-piece by Milwaukee, made of the black oxide, for $134. That's saving $150. And they brought back a deal again on the Ryobi 3-tool lighting kit. That's $75 and it's saving $44. That's 37% off. And they have a 2-pack of the clamp speakers by Ryobi for $91, saving 29%. I think that's still a little bit expensive compared to, I think we've seen better deals on this in the past. And then next up is a Ridgid battery option. It's on the max output 6 amp-hour batteries. It's a 2-pack of them for only $125. That's saving 54%. That's a good deal on those. And they have a deal on the DeWalt 20-volt crossline laser level with a 2 amp-hour battery charger and the case for $361. That's saving $175. That is 33% off. And they even have a deal on the DeWalt socket and wrench set for $219. That's saving $100 almost, and that's 31% off. I have like a previous version of this set, and the ratchets really do suck on them. So I don't know if they improved. These are different ratchets from what I have in that set, but maybe it is better. All right, that is going to be it for the deals of the day for today only, March 30th. 2026. If you did gain any value from it, I would appreciate that you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos and help the channel get to that 50,000 subscriber goal that we have. And as soon as the channel reaches that 50K, we'll be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So help the channel get to there. I really do appreciate that support. And you can check the links down in the description below. I will have some links to some of these deals. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.